You wanna play?
Yes.
How old are you?
10.
Okay.
10 and a half.
Okay. Are you strong?
Yeah. I'm 1,938. 1,938.
Okay. Well, good luck. Придется отыгрываться на тебе. Karakan again. I'm good with children. He literally ran away. Take. Okay. You know this line?
I stopped playing before, but I remember some theory.
Okay. Give him the mic. He's funny. Here is the mic for you. Okay, that's the right move. You know the theory. You go here. Okay, you take here, I go here. Castle. Here. I can already expect a viral video from that young gentleman. Do you live here? You live here? Здесь живете, да? Ага. Или в Хайфе, или здесь? Это ближайший клуб, да? How is Olga? 9? 9?
אני שמעתי שקמו
How she wants to go, yeah? Okay.
You missed the tactic?
I missed the tactic?
Yes, you could take here and then take the...
Oh my god, I didn't see that. Oh my god. Well, can you show me the tactic that I missed? So you play here. Oh my god, I missed that. And I win a rook. So you blundered the rook.
Yes.
And I didn't see it. What a shame. Where's the rook? So I played here. What did you do? The camera is... Did you guys see the tactic? I don't know what you want. Let me go here. Оля устала? Пора закрывать лавочку. Да. Where are you going with your rook?
I'm planning. Not planning, maneuvering.
Okay, let's take this for now. Just clear a little bit. Oh, you take with the queen. Interesting. I don't like that.
What?
I don't like anything. What if I go here? I don't like any of that.
Okay, so don't like.
Okay, you can do that. But then you can do this. I think it's time. Okay, let's take. Sacrifice the exchange.
Okay.
Ай! Where are you going?
Ты меня обещал это. Давай
Делай так.
Это не делаем СК, пожалуйста.
Великий концентрат. Слава богу,
Что
концентрат.
такое там, говорят?
Ангела хранителя концентрат.
Что такое меты? Я сотворил אחד-אחד.
איך עשית את זה? חוק כזה. כל הלילה, נכון? התכוננת אליי כל הלילה?
אני לא ראיתי שעון בערך שבוע.
נו, ג'מביט.
1900.
איך זה תקוע?
Skid is the final boss.
Ладно.
So here.
Давай сделаем глубокого места. Что такое? Deixa eu ver como chama. Nossa, patrão.
Acabou.
Испугался.
Теко.
No biggie. This is where you're going. Okay.
Você quer falar, chefe? Acabou. Exato,
Ai, ai, ai,
Астика. Рад.
So bored. Where are you jumping? Here.
I don't like it's not only 5, so I want to break it.
Так, правда, что это?
Very smart. Okay, I'm taking.
Окей, слева la mata.
Ooh! Oh my god. Don't laugh. It's not funny. I did not see that.
Take, I'm not afraid.
Okay. Oh, found it. Oh, thought I was losing. Might be still losing.
Покинул человечество только из-за тебя. Виновен смертью Христа.
Вот так.
Давай, ведь один. Давай. Потом его расстрелять в площади. Давай, всех.
Mama. Ah. Ah. I hate kids. I hate kids.
Why?
They're dangerous.
So dangerous.
Oh, sorry. Illegal move. Oh my god. That's not funny. Don't laugh. Why are you laughing?
Because you shouted.
You're not polite. Ah. Give me another hand. Why are you giving me that hand? Give me this hand. Why? You want this hand? Congratulations. You got your ring. Ah. Who is your favorite grandmaster?
Magnus Carlsen.
Does Magnus Carlsen know how to talk to people?
No, I decided that I like his games and all kind, but I don't know him as a person.
You don't know Magnus as a person.
No.
Do you think he's good at talking?
Talking? I don't know. I didn't meet him, so how will I know from here that? And I never saw videos of how does he speak to people.
That's very wise, very wise, very political answer. Okay, and maybe one more question. So do you wanna? So you don't wanna do chess full time? You wanna do like once you become a grandmaster, you wanna do other things?
Yes. When I will be super GM, I will be professional one. Then I will go to a different profession.
You will do other professions.
Yes, like psychology.
Psychology, and you said you also do business?
What? Yes, and I want to be a psychologist.
Wow, well, good luck.